I'll be doing the YLOC 5th grade lesson 4 problem solving skills, estimated or exact amounts. So for question one, it says by 1853, nearly 250,000 people had rushed to California. Is the number of people who had rushed to California an exact amount or an estimate amount? So it says nearly for the first problem, and nearly is almost as almost 250,000, as it's close to but not exact, which means it's an estimated amount rather than a exact amount. Okay, moving on. So I'll do number 3. So it says use the gold rush information below to answer the following. Gold was discovered near San Francisco on January 24th, 1848. Walking overland for 4 to 8 months, thousands of people rushed to California to seek their fortunes. In 1849, at least 32,000 people arrived to search for gold in the California hills. In 1850, about 44,000 people rushed into California in search of gold. The port of San Francisco was a busy place during these years, in addition to the people who came by land from other states. Nearly 40,000 more people came to California by sea during 1849 and 1850. The California gold rush peaked in 1852, where more than 80 million worth of gold was found. So for question 3, it says how many gold seekers altogether arrived in 1849 and 1850? Is your answer exact or an estimate? So what we really need is 1849 and 1850. It says at least 32,000 people arrived and about 44,000 people. So if we add 32 and 44 together, we would get 76, and then we can add the zeros. So 76,000 people arrived altogether in 1849 and 1850. And then the second part of the question asked, is your answer exact or an estimate? It says at least 32,000 people for 1849, and at least means there could be more than 32. It's just it's like an estimate. So and 1850 it says about, so it means that it could be a little greater or less than 44,000. So both of those numbers are an estimate, which means that this answer is an estimate. Moving on, it says for question 5, it says Juan has 4 more Gold Rush souvenirs than Carla. They have 32 souvenirs altogether. How many souvenirs does Juan have? How many souvenirs does Carla have? So what we can do in this situation is we can do 32 divided by we can find the half of 32. So 32 divided by 2, which is Carla and Juan, would be, so let's just do it out. So it would be 2 would go into 3 once, and then minus 2 would be 1, and then move down to 12. 2 goes into 12 6 times. So the half would be 16 souvenirs. So the middle number for 32 is 16. So we can do, so for both we can do 16. So we can add 4 to 16, and it would be 20. And then for in Carla's case, which we're trying to find, we can do minus 4, and then it would be 12. So Carla has 12 souvenirs while Juan has 20, and we can know this answer is correct because 12 plus 20 is equal to 32. Okay, next question. A newspaper article about the gold rush is 1,582 words. If the article fills 4 columns, about how many words are in each column? So we can just do division for this problem, which would be 1,582 words divided by 4 columns. I'm going to do it a little down. So 1,582 divided by 4. So 4 can't go into 1, but 4 can go into 15. So 4 goes into 15 3 times, which would be 12. 15 minus 12 equals 3. Put the 8 down, which should be 8. So 4 goes into 38 9 times, which would be 2. And then you move down to 2, and it would be 5. So 5 times 4 would be 20. And then I'll just put the answer here. The remaining number would be 2. So this problem, it's not exact number. So since we can't just have the 2 out, it'll be approximately 395 words per column. So 395 words. So we can just put about in the front. So about 395 words. If you have any questions, you can ask me on Friday. Bye.